Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching Wallpaper Engine. Open Steam, then run the app. Once loaded, you will decide whether to use Discover or import your own file. Make sure you closed heavy applications so preview runs smoothly, and set Windows power to high performance if you plan on dynamic scenes. Now click Browse to view featured collections, or use Import from the top menu to add a local image, video, or web wallpaper. This gets you into editing fast, not stuck on setup. You now import or select a wallpaper and configure it. Choose Import for local files or subscribe via Workshop for community content. Once added, open Properties to set resolution scaling, frame rate, loop behavior, and performance presets. Lowering FPS saves GPU. If it's a web or animated wallpaper, tweak audio and interaction settings so it reacts to your input. Make sure to test in preview mode. You can pause, scrub, or resize to match your monitor layout. You finish by applying the wallpaper to a monitor or across multiple displays. Pick single monitor, all monitors, or assign it to a profile for game-specific setups. Once applied, use groups to manage several wallpapers and automatic switching. If the wallpaper doesn't appear or stutters, update GPU drivers, verify Steam Sync, and confirm the file format is supported. If problems persist, restart Wallpaper Engine and test a simple image. That isolates whether the issue is resource, file, or driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.